Are you wondering, I want to buy a house, but I already have a house. I already have a mortgage. I don't know how I'm going to do it. How do I get pre-approved for a new house when I have a house already? Like, what happens to my first house? What am I supposed to do? If that's you, watch this video. But before we start, hold on. My name is Marcelle. I do mortgages. I want to help you become knowledgeable on mortgages. Let me give you the behind the secrets they don't want you to know about. Shh, I'm here to give it to you. Bing! Hey guys, the real Mr. Marcelle, aka your favorite loan officer, aka the mortgage cop. Alright, guys, I know you want to buy a house. It's Christmas time, you're excited, you're looking at my house, and you're like, oh my god, your house is very nice. Yes, it is, but that's beyond the point, besides the point. I want you guys to understand that if you have a house now, you can still get pre-approved for a new house. Yes, it happens all the time. The first home that we tend to buy is not our final home. Quick statistics. On average, most American families buy 3 houses in their lifetime. 3. So that means you're not done shopping. So you do not have to worry, guys. You can always scale up and get bigger and bigger and bigger. Hey, sometimes people buy 8 houses. This all depends on you. They buy a vacation home. They help the kids buy a house. The snowball continues. But what I want you to understand is it's okay. We can help you. As mortgage professionals, there's a way that we pre-approve you, not hurting your current circumstances or your DTI for the current house that you're in. So you're probably wondering, like, what's the secret? I can't give you everything right now. So guys, make sure you're following and subscribing to my YouTube channel so I can keep giving you helpful content like this that's going to show you guys how to become better experts at mortgages. You like that, right? Mortgages. I like that. I like the air quotes. I think I might start using that more. Mortgages. What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it?
No.
I like it. Mortgages. Alright. So, if you didn't watch my last video, you can check it out right here. I showed loan officers how to script a conversation with no script. So, if you're a loan officer watching this and you're wondering, hey Malcolm, I need an idea how you get your clients, check out that script video. But back to the conversation. Mortgages. I really like that. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to speak to your loan officer. You're going to say, hey, Joe or Malcolm. Malcolm, I have a house right now. It's about $400,000. My payments are about $2,500. But I want to get a new house. And then we're going to ask you, okay, what kind of home are you looking at? Blah, blah, blah. What area? And we're going to get an idea. So we're going to get the taxes. We're going to get an idea of how big it is. You're going to be like, it's $600,000. It has a pool. It's my dream house. Okay, I really want to get this house. Then we're going to ask you the magic question. Are you A, going to sell your house that you're currently living in? Or B, are you going to keep it in as an investment? And it matters. You're like, why does it matter, Malcolm? Can't you just pre-approve me? No, we need to know what you're doing. Because if you're going to rent it as an investment, it changes because we still have to calculate your DTI for that house. But depending on how much you're charging, we can wash the payment. Wash, yes, I'm not literally washing the house, but I'm washing the payment. What it means is we're going to show that, hey, you're renting this, the income that you're getting from the rent is going to cover the mortgage, so we exit out. Boom! Cancel. Now, if you're getting more for it, what we do is not only can we wash it, we can give you the difference and add it. So now you increased your income for the year. Wow, you guys like that. So not only do you have a house, you're also increasing your payment on the second house. So now you can get a bigger home because your monthly income has increased. Hopefully you guys are following me. I know that sounds a lot. But if you're buying a house, right, and the payments on the house is $3,000 per month, and right now your old house is $2,000, but you're renting your old house for $2,500 a month, you can cover the old payment and have $500 per month to use on a new house. And that's what we do as mortgage professionals. We show you how to rearrange everything so you can get not only keep an investment house, but you can get a new dream house. And that's what we're here for. That's why I tell you guys, hey, always use a broker, because a broker, we can do magic. I'm telling you, we like David Blaine. I can levitate too, but we'll save that for another video. Anyway, guys, the real Mr. Marcelle, aka the mortgage cop, aka your favorite loan officer. I'm getting too many AKAs. I think I need to stop with this. But follow my YouTube, follow me on Instagram, TikTok. If you have any questions, put it in below. And I'm coming up with more content for loan officers. Check out another video right here. and right there. Boom, boom, boom. So many videos, I can't keep up, guys. Can you? Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in learning more about real estate or mortgages, check out the other videos on my channel.